Welcome to the lounge. So if you're deciding between setting up individual classes or a few sessions underneath one main topic or title, I'm going to review a couple of the pros and cons of why you want to select one over the other, and additionally teach you how to set up a multi-session class. For example, the Wellness Universe has monthly meditations, and each meditation has its own theme. So we've actually, since they're free, we've created them individually. However, if you want to, let's say, give a 3-part course with one class, for instance, how to relieve stress in with 3 different methods. So you would create your class, how to relieve stress, a 3-class course, and then you would add 3 sessions to your class, which I will go over. The difference is you can set those 3 classes to be for one price, as opposed to setting up 3 individual classes for, let's say, $10 each. You can give the one class or one set of classes for $30, so people get all 3 classes. If you do each individual class, somebody might take just 1 or 2 and not take all 3. And 3 for $30 is more appealing than 1 for $10, and then people have to individually register for each class. So that's kind of the key differences. If you want somebody to take all of the classes or all of the classes are required, you want to set it up as a multi-class course with multiple sessions underneath the one class, and you can title them separately. And even if somebody joins late or even after they're all recorded, they can go back and watch the ones that they have missed. Because once they purchase the multi-course session, then they get all of the sessions under the one, as opposed to one-off classes. One-off classes are really great. However, it literally is one class, and then you might lose your audience. When you have a multi-class, multi-session class, and you want them to go through the content and instruction fully, you definitely want to do it as a multi-course class. The only downfall to this is if you're looking for the ratings and reviews. For example, these reviews here and the rating, you have to wait for your entire course to finish before people can leave you a rating or a review of your course, just so you're aware. So let's go back out to my account, and I'm just going to show you really quickly on how to set up multiple sessions. I'm going to go to create a class. Now, I'm not going to take you through all of these items. You should already know how to set up a class. So to fill all this out is obviously something you already know how to do. To set up multiple classes, you're going to want to go here. You're going to put your times and when your classes are being held. You're going to add the session, and then you're going to add the next session. So essentially, your classes are going to be listed as sessions, and that is how you add multiple sessions to one class and have it set at one price for all of the classes. Okay, and then if you want to create discount codes, here's where you create your discount codes, as you should already know from the previous tutorials. So that's it in a nutshell on how to create multiple sessions under one class. And then you would have this clicked if you are setting this up and you want it to go out to everyone who subscribes to your instructor's account. And then you would click Create Class. And that's it. So enjoy your multiple session classes.